Today I will fly. An Elephant and Piggy book. You must know these series, they are very popular. Today I will fly.
No, you will not fly today.
Oh.
You will not fly tomorrow. You will not fly next week. You will never fly.
Oh. Uh-oh. I will try. Goodbye.
You will not fly. She will not fly.
Fly, 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 fly. Fly, 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 fly.
You need help.
Thank you. I do need help. I will get help.
Oh!
Oh my God. What's going on? I did it! I flew! Thank you for your help. Uh-oh.
You did not fly.
I did not fly. Did Piggy fly? Do you think did Piggy fly?
You jumped.
I jumped? Maybe. Woo! It was a big jump.
Yes, it was a big jump, but you did not fly.
I will try again.
I will eat lunch.
Goodbye. Fly, 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 fly. Ooh. You need help? I do need help. Will you help me? I will. I will help you. Let's see how. Thank you. How is the ducky will help? Yeah.
Hello! Hello, Piggy! Where are you?
Hello! 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 Hello!
You are flying! You're flying today! My friend can fly, she can fly, she can fly, she can fly.
I'm not flying.
You're not flying?
I'm getting help.
Dun, 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 dun.
Thank you for your help.
Tomorrow I will fly.
Good luck.
And to end. Thank you for listening, friends.